So today we're going to create those covers for either our Google Classroom or either our thumbnail if we create videos, lessons for our students. I need to look for the items that I want to put on my BITMOJI classroom. So I go to insert and I go to image, and I can do it easily searching the images from the web. So I do this, and here on this side I start typing. So I need a floor and wall background. So let's just use those backgrounds. So look what you have here, and you search on those. If you don't like the ones that you see here, you can just open a tab. You can open a tab, and on this tab you're going to type floor and wall background. So it's my first option. So look here, I do find more beautiful and interesting pictures here. So I will search for one that really calls my attention. So let's see, I will choose that one. So, but that one has watermark from copyright, so I don't want this. So that one looks cute with the lightning in the background, but I want an empty picture. So I think I am choosing this one. I will get this one. So what I do, let's see if I can just drag it here. And yes, it worked. So as I don't want this line here, I will resize it. So I just double click it and I will crop it. Oh, no. Let's click again. Exactly, because I want to crop it. Yeah, not change the size here. There you go. So now I will try to put it here as my background. Here it is. So now I have my background. What I will do next is I will find a sofa, because we all like to have a sofa in our classroom. So sofa transparent. Remember to be specific that you want a transparent one. And also I will teach you what you can do if you don't find a transparent sofa. Okay, so if I want to change the color of my sofa, I will just double click it or click it, and then I will go to format options, and on the format options I will click on recolor. I will have it this color so it's not so shiny. Are transparent. Let's see. They are not. So what can I do in that case? If it's not transparent, there is something you can do. You go back to the picture. I think I'll have it this one, which is white. So you click on the picture, on the image, and you click on Save Image As. And I will have shelf 1. I save the image, then you open a new tab and you click on Remove Background. And you will go to this web page called Remove BG. And then I will upload the image that I just saved. And I think I named it Shape 1. So you can either drag it, and in that way it keeps open if I need to. Let's say, okay, so here, let's see if that image works. So I download it and I have it down here. So I'll go back to my Google page and I drag it here. So, so So whiteboard, transparent, transparent background. So here we have plenty of options. So let's see this one. Okay, so this is a smart one. So if you want to change the direction on the picture, you just have to click on the picture. So if you wanted to rotate, so you click on the picture and you go and find the rotate option, and then you flip it horizontally. So here you flip it. So now you can either flip it whichever sides you want. So I don't want this board anyway, so you can choose and select one. What I will do is I will create my own whiteboard. So how you create one? You just have to go here on shapes, and on shapes you can either create dialogue shapes, bowls and things, but I will create my own board. So I just click here and I design the size that I want my board to be, and then I just have to underline it so I can use borderline, so I can have it like, say, the 4 ones. Yeah, so for me the 4 is fine. So I want the lines to be white and black, so I just have to click on the color, and this is going to be my board. So now I can add a message, for example, maybe Teacher Margaret misses you a lot, for example. So okay, you can change the letterings if you want to. So now, and I think the board is too big for what we have written on it, but it doesn't have to be too small. So here I have my board. So now I need to add plants. So to the plants that I will be adding right now, I already searched the pictures. I already removed the background. So I just have to go to picture and search upload from computer. Here it is. So here I have all the pictures that I have already fixed myself. So now I'm going to find a plant that actually fits the drawer that I have here. So let's see this one that matches. I think we just resize it. You can have another one. I can copy and paste that one and have one here too. So now I will have my books. There you go. So now if you want to add links or videos, what I will do is you will go here to insert, then you will go to video, and I want to insert my own videos that I have to recorded for my students for reading time. So okay, so then I click on see on YouTube, and I'll go ahead and copy the link. So this is I want to create it, so I can create cover for my video. So I go back here, I copy the link, I click on search, or you can either select one from your Google Drive or your, and then I select it, and here it is. I have the video here, so I can either have it here, and I can have more there. So if I want to just insert a link, on the links you need to click on one of the objects that you have, and then I will click this book, and I will go to insert, and I will go to link, and then I will copy the link that I want to insert. So let's say I already copy a link, I apply it, and here it is. So now I have already inserted links and videos. So I just click on here, it will show me here. So I will just go to the page that I want my students to go. So now if I finished, for example, let's say I finished, so this is one I created. So I also have this one I created for my Google Classroom. So let's say it's finished. So I will just go to here, and then I would choose download. So let's go here. So it has the option in English, so filed, download, and then you choose how do you want to download it. You choose if you want to download it in a PDF, JPG, or PNG. So this is pretty much how you create your Bitmoji class, and then on my next workshop I will show you how you can create animation Bitmoji. So the most important part. So now after you created this, how do you add your emoji, your Bitmoji? Simple. You add your Bitmoji, you need to go to Bitmoji on your Google Chrome, and then you need to download the extension. You download the extension. I downloaded the extension, so now I have this icon here that is for my Bitmoji. So I just click here when after this is downloaded, I click on here, and then I just have to search for the Bitmoji that I want to have here. So I want to have a hello Bitmoji. So I have different. So here is one that I seems interesting to me. So this is saying hi. So this is me. If I want, I can add one sitting down. If I want, I can have, remember this is an extension, meaning that you need to have it on your phone previously so you can then log in and have it on your computer. So this is pretty much how we do it. Thank you so much. And then we're going to learn how to do animations. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.